Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have brought a very delicious omelette but made up of oats. So without any further delay, let's just make it up. So first of all, I'm gonna take an empty bowl and then I'm gonna place some oats into it. Like I've taken 1 cup of oats, the oats that are available in any supermarket. You can buy them easily at any from anywhere. With that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk, and that's all. And now we're going to mix it with the help of a spatula and mash it quite well. So after mashing, we're going to move towards the next part, that's going to be adding egg. I'm going to take 1 egg and I'm going to add it into this mixture of oats and milk. And now with that, I'm going to take cumin powder, 1 and 4 teaspoon, and some salt, 1/4 teaspoon as well. So we're going to add black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon. And now we're going to mix it quite well. And now let's take a frying pan and turn the stove onto low flame. So I'm going to use the pan with some oil or butter. I'm using ghee. Now I'm going to pour the mixture of oats and egg. After pouring the batter into the pan, now I'm going to spread it evenly so that the oats are evenly on each side. You can see it starts changing its color. Once it starts changing its color, the other side has turned out to be hot and the other side has changed its color. Now I'm going to take out the lid and flip it up, like flip the egg. It's just like making an omelette, but it's an, you can say, an omelette made up of oats. Now you can see I'm going to turn it or flip it, spread some ghee as well on frying pan before placing this egg again into the pan. Now I'm going to cover it with the help of a lid again, and after 5 minutes you'll see the egg would be baked or cooked quite well. It's completely done. So try this recipe. You're absolutely going to find it quite delicious and healthy as well. Like if you are on a diet, you are going to try this and it's quite healthy for you, for your diet routine as well. Now I'm going to cut it into slice and try it. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do try this recipe at home. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down on the comment section and I would be rather happy to answer you and clear your queries. So till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.